Hello, my name's Evan from Stoke Audi and today we'll be showing you around this brand new Audi A3 Black Edition S-Tronic. It comes finished in the stylish Daytona Grey, shorter turn heads when on the road, and to the rear you have the privacy glass giving an air of mystery to the car's profile. Standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your everyday needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with the centre armrest with 2 handy cup holders and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the flat bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display climate control. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the satellite navigation map so no need to take your eyes off the road, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with friends and family, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, comfort for those longer journeys, or individual to set your preferred driving mode. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the dual zone climate control so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. You have an option below to help you go into Drive Select and stay connected on the go with 2 USB charging points and Audi phone box with wireless charging. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, with 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.